In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable two-factor authentication in Xero. By the end, you'll have an extra layer of security on your account, which helps protect your financial data from unauthorized access. We'll go step by step, and you can pause or rewind at any time if you need to catch up. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to Xero's website by typing xero.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Make sure you sign in with your usual Xero login details if you're not already logged in. Two-factor authentication, or multi-factor authentication as Xero calls it, is managed from inside your account settings, so you do need to be logged in to continue. Once you're on the main Xero dashboard, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might appear as your initials, your profile picture, or a simple user icon depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. From that drop-down, choose the option labeled Account. This is where Xero stores your personal account settings, security options, and login preferences. Clicking Account will take you to a page that focuses on your login and security details. On this account page, look for a section called Multi-Factor Authentication, sometimes shortened to MFA. This is the area where you can turn on the extra security layer. Next to it, you should see a button or link that says Setup. Go ahead and click Setup. If Xero shows you any brief explanation screens about why multi-factor authentication is important, take a moment to read them, then continue to the setup. Now, you'll be asked how you want to receive your authentication codes. Xero gives you two main options. You can use the Xero Verify app, which is their own dedicated authentication app, or you can use your own authenticator app, such as a common authenticator app you might already have on your phone. If you want the most seamless experience with Xero, choosing the Xero Verify app is usually the simplest option. You would download it from your device's app store, open it, and then follow the prompts on screen, which typically involves scanning a QR code that Xero displays in your browser. Once you scan the code, the app will start generating time-based codes for your account. If you prefer to use your own authenticator app instead, the process is very similar. On your phone, open your chosen authenticator app, select the option to add a new account, and either scan the QR code shown in Xero or manually enter the setup key if that option is provided. Your app will then begin generating the 6-digit codes that you'll use when signing in. After you've connected either Xero Verify or your chosen authenticator app, Xero will usually ask you to enter one of the codes from the app to confirm everything is working correctly. Type in the code you see, making sure you enter it before it expires, and then confirm. Once that's accepted, multi-factor authentication is enabled on your Xero account. From now on, when you log in, you'll enter your password as usual, and then you'll be prompted to enter a code from your authentication app. This might feel like an extra step at first, but it significantly increases your account security. That's all you need to do to enable two-factor authentication in Xero.